through one of my friends. He got the hair transplant before, and his review was good, but still I wanted to research. So I went to the market. I researched like 3 or 4 other brands and other hair transplant clinics. After all the research, I found this to be satisfactory. It's all about the mindset, matlab wherever it is, you need to be sure about it. So I found this place, and right from the start, from explaining the entire process to what precautions should I take, when shall I get it done. I had a problem of psoriasis. I thought I had and keloids. Okay, so they tested it before, like 2 months before, by doing a small patch here. And when everything was fine, they suggested me to go ahead with the transplant. So Dr. Gurang was obviously, he's the best in the field, and his hands, they are like an artist. So it's been 6 months and you can see the result. I'm really satisfied with the entire process, and yeah, I will recommend it to anyone.